Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Vagaro and whether or not they accept gift cards. Now, I know you might be wondering why this is even a question. After all, gift cards are a pretty common thing, right? Well, the thing is, not all businesses accept gift cards. And Vagaro is one of those businesses that I've gotten a lot of questions about. So let's get right to it. Does Vagaro accept gift cards? The answer is yes. Vagaro does accept gift cards. Now, this is great news if you're looking to give someone a gift card to a Vagaro business. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to make sure that the Vagaro business you're giving the gift card to accepts gift cards. Not all Vagaro businesses do, so it's important to check with them first. Second, you need to make sure that the gift card is valid. Vagaro gift cards have an expiration date, so you'll want to make sure that the gift card you're giving is still valid. Third, you need to make sure that the gift card is for the right amount. If you're giving a gift card for a specific service, you'll want to make sure that the gift card is for at least the amount of the service. Once you've made sure that all of these things are in order, you can go ahead and give your Vagaro gift card to the recipient. So there you have it. Vagaro does accept gift cards. This is great news for both businesses and consumers. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Vagaro gift cards. One benefit is that gift cards are a great way to give someone the gift of choice. The recipient can use the gift card to pay for any service or product that they want. Another benefit is that gift cards are a great way to promote your business. When you sell gift cards, you're essentially pre-selling your services. This can help to increase your revenue and attract new customers. Finally, gift cards are a great way to show your appreciation for your customers. Whether you're giving a gift card to a loyal customer or a new customer, it's a great way to say thank you. So, if you're looking for a great way to give someone the gift of choice, or to promote your business, or to show your appreciation for your customers, consider giving them a Vagaro gift card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.